If you run an agency, there's a very good chance you're struggling with a problem that is quietly killing your growth and your profit. But it's not what you think. It's not your ad spend, it's not your payroll. No, it's a hidden cost, and it's lurking just beneath the surface of your daily operations. So I want you to really think about this for a second. What is the single biggest hidden cost inside your agency right now? Again, it's not the obvious stuff. It's something way more subtle and honestly, way more destructive. And here's the answer. It's the invisible cost of disconnected tools. This is the real expense. It's that quiet chaos that comes from having a bunch of software that just doesn't talk to each other. It's the friction, it's the missed opportunities, and it's all the endless manual work your team has to do just to stitch everything together. And that really brings us to the core idea here today. This collection of disconnected tools you're using, well, it isn't a foundation you can build a real business on. What you've actually built is a fragile tower, and it's getting more and more unstable with every single new client you bring on. So first off, let's get on the same page. What do we even mean by tool stacking? Well, it's what pretty much every agency does, right? You use separate, disconnected software for all your key functions. You've got your CRM over here, your email tool over there, a scheduler in another tab, and probably WhatsApp or Slack open all day long. It feels normal, but trust me, it's deeply, deeply inefficient. And what's the immediate result of setting things up this way? There is no single source of truth. There's nowhere you can go to see, at a glance, what's actually happening. Who followed up with that lead? What stage are they in? Which part of our process broke down this time? It's all scattered across a half dozen different apps. And this line just illustrates the danger so perfectly. You haven't built a powerful, integrated tech stack that helps you grow. You've built a fragile tower where pulling out just one piece or just adding a little too much weight on top can make the whole thing come crashing down. So how does this fragile tower actually hurt your agency day to day? Well, we're going to break down 5 specific leaks that really show you the true cost of all this disconnection. All right, leak number 1. This is the one that everyone thinks about first, but honestly, it's the least important one of all. Okay, so you've got your direct software spend. You add up the bill for your CRM, your email tool, your scheduler, your automation software, and yeah, you're easily spending anywhere from $100 to over $300 a month just to keep the lights on. But here's the twist. That number? It's the smallest and least significant cost of them all. It's a distraction. Now for leak number 2. This one is way, way more expensive because it costs you something you can never, ever get back. Your team's time and their focus. I mean, just think about your team's actual workflow. A lead comes in, they open the CRM to check the details, then they switch over to WhatsApp to reply. Then they have to jump into a calendar to confirm a time, and then, if they remember, they have to open a spreadsheet to manually update the lead status. This constant tab switching absolutely kills momentum. And in sales, speed is literally everything. Okay, let's talk about the third cost. This is the one that is silently draining your bank account without you even realizing it. We're talking about human error. Look, any process in your business that relies on people remembering to do things is a process that is destined to fail. People forget to update the CRM, they miss a critical follow-up, they accidentally send a duplicate message. Each one of these mistakes is a small, invisible leak. And the worst part, there are no alerts. It's just lost revenue silently slipping away. The fourth cost, this one's a big one, especially for you agency founders out there trying to steer the ship. This all leads to a pretty brutal truth. With tool stacking, you can't actually see your true lead response time. You don't know your team's actual performance. You have no idea about the real-time health of your sales pipeline. You don't have a business dashboard giving you facts. You just have guesses. You're managing based on a gut feeling. And finally, that brings us to the 5th and probably the most critical cost of all. This is the one that puts a hard ceiling on your growth. And this is absolutely the most critical point. A fragile system that's held together with digital duct tape might work when you have 10 leads a day. But the second you try to handle 100, it completely shatters. And instead of scaling your systems, you're forced to just hire more people to manage the ever-growing chaos. So, how do you fix this? Well, the answer isn't just about getting another tool. It's about a fundamental shift in your philosophy. It's about moving from juggling a bunch of disconnected tools to operating on one single unified system. But look, let's be honest, change is hard. There's a reason agencies stick with this broken model. It's inertia. This is how we've always done it. It's the fear of the migration process and potential downtime. It's worrying about your team resisting a new piece of software. And sometimes it's just a belief that all-in-one platforms are never as good as the specialized tools. These are all valid fears, but they keep agencies trapped. And this brings us to the solution. The whole point of a unified all-in-one platform isn't just to be a cheaper alternative to what you're already using. Its real purpose, the thing it's actually built for, is to replace the core problem, the disconnection. It creates a single, central operating system for your entire agency. Okay, so let's make this really practical. Let's do a direct, side-by-side comparison of these two ways of operating. This is where you really see the night and day difference between running in chaos and running with control. On the left, you see the chaos of the tool stack. Multiple logins for your team to remember, constant manual syncing of data, and reports that are always out of date. And on the right, you see the control of a single system. One login, workflows that are actually automated, clear ownership for every single lead, and live visibility into what's happening right now. The real difference here isn't about features. It is about control. But, and this is a really important but, a unified system is not a magic bullet. A great system can only amplify good habits and discipline that are already there. It can't create them from scratch. You still have to do the hard work of defining your processes first and holding your team accountable to them. So we're going to end on this. The question isn't whether one tool is cheaper than another. That's the wrong way to look at it. The real question you should be asking yourself is this: how much is the chaos of tool stacking costing your agency's growth? If you constantly feel busy but you don't feel like you're actually getting anywhere, this might be the reason why.